Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My aim in life. Aim in life refers to which profession one wants to take up when one grows up. A man in his childhood sees people working in different professions. Since then, he cherishes a dream in his mind, what he wants to be in future. Every man who lives in the society has an aim in life. Without it, none can make progress in life. The man who has no aim in life is like a ship without a rudder, but a fixed aim helps a man to shine in life. So it is essential for every man. Planning for future is essential for an individual life. So a man should choose an aim for future life. But different persons have different tastes and aims. There are many professions in the world, so it is difficult to choose a correct one. Some want to earn money, some want to earn fame, some want to serve the people. I want neither money nor fame. I want to serve the people of my locality. With this novel idea, I have chosen to be a doctor. Bangladesh is a very poor country. The living standard of the people of our country is very low. They are not aware of the rules of health. They suffer from many diseases. They are illiterate about what kind of food is essential for them. I have seen how the people of my village suffer from disease every year and die without treatment and medical help. The people of our country suffer from superstition, and many of them fall into this trap. So I have decided to become a doctor and serve my poor and illiterate villagers. After passing the SSC examination in science group, I shall get myself admitted into MBBS course in Dhaka Medical College or others. Obtaining the highest degree in medical science, I shall go to my native village to serve the people of my locality. I shall set up a charitable dispensary in our village market. I shall treat the poor patients without fees. Medical profession is the noblest of all professions. It brings money and love of men. To serve the distressed humanity is to serve God. I want to live in the memory of mass people even after my death. So I have decided to become a doctor. To become successful in life, every man should choose the profession carefully. I think my choice is the best one for my life and for the lives of villagers.